Day 4 of learning manual rigging, part 1, and trust me, if I can do it while being lazy, so can you. And if you are super lazy, just go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, search Rigify, and add it. This lets you add default armatures, like human or animal rigs, super easily.
Nice.
But since we're learning manual rigging, we'll build the armature from scratch. Start with fundamentals. Go to Edit Mode. Just like meshes, bones also have two modes: Edit Mode and Pose Mode. In Edit Mode, you'll be able to create and adjust bones. This thick part is called the head of the bone, and this thinner end is called the tail of the bone. Here's what you can do. Press G to move the bone, R for rotate, and S for scale. Shift A for add new bone. Press G for move. Let's scale it down. Now comes parenting, super important in rigging. Start by picking the bone that'll follow the parent. Now, pick the boss bone, the one that'll lead. Right-click or Control-P to parent them. Then choose Keep Offset. See that black line? Yep, that means they're officially parented. All right, pose mode time. Let's start moving those bones. Move or rotate the boss bone, and watch the others follow like good teammates. But try moving the child bone. The boss bone doesn't care. Want to add new joints or link bones together? Let's do it. Click the head or tail, hit E, and boom, new bone joint. Time to make him a family. Let's parent these bones. Select all bones. Control-P and select Keep Offset. Go to Pose Mode. Let's preview it. Boss bone work well.
Oh shit, here we go again.
First, I need to unparent them. Select the bone, press Alt plus P, then choose Clear Parent. Time to parent them in pairs, top to bottom, one by one. Now let's review them. Now, reset the pose. Go to Pose, Clear Transform, and All. All right, time to build it for real. Let's manually create the human armature. Now, let's see what you've learned. Go to the armature icon, open Viewport Display, and enable in front. This will help you see the bones through the character. Let's start with the spine bone. Hit 3 on numpad for left view. Go to Edit Mode. Select the bone's tail, hit E, and boom, bone chain begins. Now, bend the spine bone slightly. Give it some natural feel. Next, create the chain bone for lag. I am rotating this bone because the thick part, yep, that's the head, and it's the pivot point. Band the bone's slightly formed joint, which is helping to generate IK and FK. Quick tip, fix that bone roll so your bones don't twist like confused noodles. Rename all bones with .L extinction. Now it's time to parent the bones. Let's connect the whole squad. First, select the thigh bone, then the spine root. Control P and keep offset. Same for shoulder and arm bone. It's time to symmetrize the bones. Because who wants to rig the other side manually? Select all left side bones and right-click. Select Symmetrize. And Blender Auto rename .L to .R. Last step, parent the armature to the character. Character, armature, Control P, automatic weights. And there it is, our very first manual armature, fully built and ready to move.
¿Un qué? ¿Un qué? ¿Un qué? ¿Un qué? ¿Un qué?